sections, and you want to just count one of the sections,
And then
and estimate by like that one section how it would be like.
Are we cutting it into 4?
We can do it into 4 or 6, whatever you think would be easiest. I think if you did it into 6, it might be a little bit easier since it would be more accurate considering how many small dots or circles there are.
Are we gonna have to end up multiplying the number of circles by like 6 boxes,
By
right?
6 boxes, yeah.
$50. 53 times 50 in parentheses. So we kind of want to guesstimate how much blank spaces there are. I'd say there would be like 10 blank spaces per row. 10 times 50. 500.
But we have to find which ones of each type.
Well, we could make a ratio of how many old trees to new trees there are about per row. Yeah, that sounds good. 28 to 11? Yeah, that's the horizontal ratio. So 28 is the old, right? Yes. That's for the horizontal. What? Yeah. Just put like horizontal. Okay, vertical.
27 old.
Oh, that's pretty close. So now that we have the ratios, which one would we want to go with? Would we want to go to horizontal or vertical, or get or we should take like an average? Okay. So he needs to find the ratio, and then he needs to multiply it by the number of rows. Yes. So there is like 2.5 times more old trees than new trees.
They didn't put the empty spaces.
Yeah, they didn't put the empty spaces.
I would say these quadrants are pretty uneven.
I think they should have split it up into like maybe smaller quadrants.
Yeah.
We would have given like more exact estimate. So they did the quadrant thing too, but they did it in only 6.
Like, if you have that many, you're trying to count, like, there's room for, like, human error.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I was gonna say that if they split it up into more, it would like save them a lot of time.
And also, it would give you more accurate rules.
Yeah.
Oh, they use ratios. Smart idea. We should have done that. Yeah.
I think the ratio is a lot easier than what we did, and it makes a lot more sense.
You guys, let's put why did you come up with the ratio?
No, how did you come up?
Yeah, how and why did you come up with the ratio?
Yeah, see, we should have done bigger quadrants. I mean, smaller quadrants.
Yeah, that's true.
Because then it would have been more accurate. Okay, so just breaking this up into smaller and more even parts, right? So how many boxes do we want?
Well, first we did it originally into 6 quadrants, but then we got comments saying that wasn't like why we only did 6, and when we walked around we realized that like it wasn't going to be as accurate when we did 6, so why not split into more? So then we did it into 9 quadrants, and we counted the amount of old and then young trees in each, and then multiplied by 9 to try to get the total in one, and then like when we multiplied by 9, then we got the total in like the.
Why did we come out with the ratios? Using ratios was an easy way to make an estimate.
Yeah. I don't get how you already knew the numbers in number 1 while we counted.
Did we finish? Yeah.